My name is Piyush and welcome to Great Entrepreneurs. Henry Ford and Ford Motors was one of the pioneers in the assembly line system. Today, assembly line system is not only working in the automobile industry, and the innumerable automakers out there are using this assembly line for their car production, but this system is also helping in other industries like McDonald's in the food industry and in the healthcare industry, which was used by Narayana Healthcare. So if you haven't watched my video on Narayana Healthcare, then the link of the video is in the comments and the description. This system has also helped to increase the efficiency and thus reducing the cost. This video will tell you everything which you need to know about the assembly line system. So keep watching. Henry Ford understood one thing very well, that if he went on targeting only the elite class of the society, he would never be able to scale up, because there would be a lot of competition and the competition would kill him. So he found out a way by which he sold his Ford Model T for $950 in 1910, and when by the time it was 1917, the cost came down from $950 to just $360. And how was it done? You will be knowing in the assembly line system. So this was used by, not only they reduces the price, but they also increase their profits. And this was not by cutting down the wages of their workers. Instead, they increased the wages of their workers from $2.5 to $5. So what's this system and what is it, you are going to know next. So this is how it works out. In the supply chain and in the value chain of a production of a car, one person had to move around the base of a base platform which was placed, and he had to fit all the parts himself, and all the workers were doing the same thing for one car, and only 2 or 3 people were involved in making one car. So what Henry Ford did was that he divided the entire car making process into 72 discrete steps. So by this, according to this, one person would be fixing the tire, another would be fixing the bonnet, another would be fixing the bumper, and this is how 72 different tasks would be done by 72 people. And this is how they will drastically reduce the time and also produce 3x more cars in one day. And this is how Henry Ford made history by not only reducing the price drastically, but also was the first person who introduced 5-day work culture. Alone in those days, 7 days work culture was prevalent and the workers had to work 7 days. But Henry Ford gave them a 5-day work culture, though they had no sales dropping, though they didn't compromise on their production, still they increased the salary 100%, and gave them a 5-day work. That is, that 2 days would be given to them to spend time with their family and friends and spend the money which they were getting extra. So this is how Henry Ford's automation model or the assembly line model works out. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and never miss to hit the bell icon to get the regular updates of my videos. Thank you.